Hi, I'm Jeremy Swartz, the voice of Coda and Brother Bear. Say it with me, Coda. It takes hundreds of people to create an animated movie, with each person adding their own unique talent. But there's one job that you might not know about: the people who make the sound effects, or as they like to be called, Foley artists. I took a trip to the Foley stage to see just how the sound effects in Brother Bear were made. Hey, guys.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, you're Jeremy, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, John.
This is Allison,
Hi,
my
nice
partner.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And this is the stage where we do all the sound effects.
A Foley artist uses all kinds of household items and a bunch of other weird junk to create the sounds and effects you hear in the movies. Where did the name Foley come from?
You know, that's a good question. Foley comes from a man named Jack Foley, who came up with this idea in the late 1940s.
Huh.
In fact, he thought, well, you know, instead of hand cutting all the sound effects, that is the footsteps back then, he thought, you know what if I record them in sync to the picture? The secret to Foley is there are no rules.
Wow.
Whatever comes up there in your head that you think might work, you try it and it sounds right, that's the thing to do.
So, I know you guys knew you were going to be on TV, so did you clean up for us?
Believe it or not, we did clean up as best we could.
Yeah, right. But the more they showed me around the studio, I realized there is a method to the mess.
Okay, Jeremy, you know, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little scene here where Coda pops out and you're going to do his footsteps.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So what you want to do is you want to, when you see his feet move, you take those special gloves and that's it. Just like that. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, we're going to tell Mary Jo to roll, so you tell her when you're ready.
Roll it, Mary Jo.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Let's ask Mary Jo how it was. Why don't you ask her?
How was it?
All right, eh?
Cool.
Give me 5, man. That's it. This piece of an old chair,
An old chair.
and I know it's a piece of bamboo, but you know what? If you and I get down here and do this, it's going to creak really nicely. Okay? So when Kenai, as the bear, is stuck up in the tree and going back and forth, that'll give us a good creak. Okay, let's do it. We're ready, Mary Jo. That's it. So right now, Kenai's going to hit a couple different things, and so each time he hits something, you and I are going to go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's tell Mary Jo we're ready.
Ready, Mary Jo?
That was it. That was it. All right, great. Cool.
Now that I'm an official Foley artist, let's watch the movie with all my hard work mixed in.
Ow!
Oh, good! How you doing? Guess you didn't see the trap, huh? I saw it from a mile away. You must be pretty embarrassed. Sounds great, but I think I'll stick to acting.